In the city of Mthatha in the Eastern Cape, people who work in other provinces have started arriving home for their end-of-year break. The city is bustling as residents from surrounding rural towns do last-minute shopping. Now, for more on this, we are now joined live by our reporter Fundiswa Mhlekude, who is in Mthatha CBD. Fundiswa, are traffic officials present to gauge the traffic volumes there?
Thank you very much. The traffic has a little bit subsided now in the afternoon, but earlier on we saw huge volumes of traffic with people going home from other provinces for the Christmas holidays. In town, we saw a lot of traffic officers standing by at traffic lights because we heard that there was a number of vehicles in the CBD. But we also see that there are also people who are doing their last-minute shopping. As my colleague Toengam Kubasi is going to be showing you guys around, there are so many people who have flocked to nearby shops doing their last-minute shopping. And also we can see that there are people who are queuing around, going inside shops. We can see that there is definitely no social distancing, even though some people are wearing their masks, but there is definitely no social distancing. We are going to be speaking to the head of community safety in the KSD municipality, Mr. Machaya. Mr. Machaya, we are seeing that there are many traffic officers at traffic lights. Why exactly?
Well, the main aim is to alleviate the congestion in town. Everyone is moving in, and there are those that are passing through Mthatha. So we felt and we saw it necessary that we have to provide more officers at intersections to provide traffic control, and at the same time they have to assist those that are getting lost. There are those that need directions to certain areas, but basically we're faced with congestion in town. That's why we're having so many traffic officers.
There was a roadblock earlier on that we saw, a huge one, and we saw motorists being issued with traffic fines. What were those fines for, and what has been the most offense that has been done by the motorists?
Thank you very much. The offenses that were committed by most drivers, they range from the non-wearing of the mask, which is in terms of the law compulsory to everyone, even though there are taxi people that are driving people that are not even wearing a mask. So we were issuing out those fines to people like those. And also we are considering, in fact, you can see most of the people that are on the road, they don't want to actually stop with using the cell phone whilst they are driving. Most of the offenses are there. It's actually cell phones, non-wearing of seat belts, and also the non-wearing of the mask. So they are the most. Yes, there are documentation offenses that are there, especially in taxis, but they are not that much as compared to the non-wearing of mask, as well as the use of cell phones whilst driving.
Okay, Mr. Machaya, there is also we are in the festive season anyway, and we know that the beaches have been closed. We know also that there are those people who will be going to the beaches, even though there's been this proclamation that they should not be going to beaches. What are your plans?
Well, we have joint operations. We are using our local traffic officers, provincial traffic officers, local law enforcement officers, as well as SABC. We are all pushing to one goal, that we need not have people that are in the beaches. And around here we've got these beautiful dams, and Mthatha Dam and other dams. Even the use of those areas is prohibited. So according to our plans, we have had some awareness campaigns warning people, and then now from tomorrow we are executing. If one is found in that particular area, will be prosecuted according to the Disaster Management Act.
That is the head of public safety at the King Sabata Dalindyebo local municipality, Mr. Tsebo Machaya, saying that they are having their hands full trying to control vehicles here at the CBD in Mthatha. We also saw a number of people going around the CBD doing their last minute shopping. Let me go now to my colleague in Mpumalanga, Tumelo.
Not a drop at all.